Oh my God, you kidding me? Oh my God. Kick my grandma in the ankle.
This is your sign to buy your cat a water fountain. Cats crave flowing water. It encourages them to drink more water and stay hydrated. They will love it.
Y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum.
Show the moment your cats realize they found their forever home.
Yes. I will always love you. Yes. How I do.
Have you ever seen a brown cat?
Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
When a kitty drinks too much milk.
How many taps until your pet gets mad? Lick.
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, what? Where did they go?
The harder way, so never let it get that far because of you.
Let's do this right. Let's go to this that be like Friday nights. This that make you feel alive. I feel like we in paradise, paradise.
This is not my cat, but she had her kittens in my closet. We put them outside in a cat carrier. But she brought them back to me one by one.
Rapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
Oh my God. Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
Kill the lights, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space. You got that good loving, girl, if you leave me alone. I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Y'all, I came home from work and went to check on Luna and her babies to make sure all 5 kittens were safe, but I counted 6 and found a bunny. I DK where this bunny came from.
We don't need nothing but today. The world is so small.
and remember, with a little rusties and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ka-chow.
How to gift your cat a kitten.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
Kill the lights, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space. You got that good loving, girl, if you leave me alone.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
Don't overthink this. Look in my eye. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. Come on in. The water's fine. You say the ocean's rising like I give a shit.
Mama? What you think? She'll bite its neck and take it over. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Oh yeah, she took it immediately. She's already trying to feed it. Good job, Mama. That's a good mama. That's a sweet girl. Good job, Mama. Good job, sweet girl. Oh yeah, she's already looking. That's a good job, Mama. Oh, she's like, how'd you find my baby?